Pterodactyl here, and welcome to another edition of Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities. And today's Lawnmower Mystery and Oddity is going to be on this Craftsman DYT 4000. And wait till you see what happened to this one. I hope you're sitting down or standing up.
Buried deep within corners of decaying mower shops, ancient relics lie. Peculiar artifacts left behind, baffling even today's most experienced repairman. What lies beneath the surface of dust and filth will leave you dumbfounded. Enigmatic, perplexing, and unusual items. Small engine pundit Pterodactyl takes you through Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities.
So this Craftsman tractor was at another dealer. The customer had it to another dealer. And he told the dealer what had happened. He said, I was mowing along and all of a sudden the thing just stopped. And I hit the key and nothing. Dead. Dead as a doornail. I don't know what happened. So the dealer takes a quick look at it and goes, "This thing's locked up tight. Probably ran it out of oil." No, checked it, had plenty of oil in it. "Well, I don't know. It's got one of them brakes and scrap-ems on there. And you know how them things are. They break and you scrap them. So I don't know if you want us to put all this money into it because it's going to need a new engine." So the customer's like, "Nah, I don't know. I don't think that's what's wrong with it. I'm going to take it somewhere else." So he brought it to me. So we looked at it, and sure enough, it's locked up tight. It's locked up. Look at that. I'm turning the bolt, not the crankshaft. And it's got an electric clutch on it. So I know what you're thinking, Grass Rat. "Oh, I know what's wrong with it, Taryl." You're already typing in the comment section. "I already know what's wrong with it. I've had this happen to me." Uh-oh, money's calling. Don't worry, somebody up front will get that. See? There's somebody. Uh-oh, it's a call from whoever that was. But anyway, I said, okay, I don't think the engine is locked up. So the first thing I did is I jerked the deck off. And this thing, the motor is not locked up. And I know what you're thinking. "It's clutch bearings! Clutch bearings, Taryl! Bearings in the clutch! They go bad and it'll lock up." Nope, it's not the clutch bearings. So one thing I did notice when we jerked the deck off is that the drive belt's missing. And I thought, well, maybe the drive belt broke and it was hanging out and the customer grabbed it and pulled it out of there. Because I didn't get a chance to ask him about that. But then I took a closer look at it and I'm like, yeah, I know what's wrong with it. Wow. I have never seen this. Maybe you've seen it before, Grass Rats, but I have never seen this before in my life. Are you ready? Are you ready to see? Are you sitting down? Or are you standing up? You can stand up or sit down. After you see it, if you're standing up, you might end up falling down. You might be in shock and in horror. Got a glass of water near you? Better have some water, because you're probably going to be all dry and parched. All right, enough of that nonsense. So the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the wire for the clutch. So there's a little tab on here I got to peel back because it kind of locks it in. And then with a 5/8 socket, I'm going to pull the bolt out and hope this clutch comes off. Okay, clutch is off. Now let me get a light and show you. You see what's going on here? Huh? Do you see that, Grass Rats? There's the drive belt. It broke and got wrapped up on there. Look at it. It wrapped it up perfect. Looks like black licorice. Don't taste as good as black licorice. Oh, it kind of tastes like black licorice. Got that rubber taste to it. There it is. You ever see that? Broke and locked up the motor. Stopped it to where the motor wouldn't crank over. Should be loose now. So I'm going to get it down. I got the battery out of it so I could put it on my stand here and stand it up so we could see it easier. This pulley is shot. This plastic pulley. You can see where the belt got hot and melted it. So I'll replace that. But yeah. Let me get it down on its boots and put the battery back in. I'm going to crank it over to show you that it still runs. And then we need to replace that belt. But you don't need to see me replace the belt. I just wanted to show you that oddity. It was clearly a mystery and an oddity. Come on. Okay, I got the battery back in. Let me pull out the choke. So here, sometimes that's what it takes. You need to get another second opinion on stuff. Just don't take for granted. But, you know, the other dealer, they may have discovered that when they went to go take it apart. But they might have ordered a new engine for it before they did that and went, oops, we ordered this engine. Now what am I going to do? I got this $1,500 engine. Well, just tell the guy it was blown up. He don't know. And we'll just sell him the engine, and then we'll sell that used engine. We'll double dip. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, and then they're all laughing and high-fiving each other. Yeah, let's rip him off. Yeah, he's an idiot anyway. Look at how stupid he is. He was stupid looking, wasn't he? Yeah. Buyer beware. That's why I said, yeah, a lot of these shops, yeah, you got to be careful. You don't know. I get probably 10 phone calls a week from all over the country from grass rats. Help me, Taryl, help me. They're leaning back like baby birds in a nest with their mouth open, wanting me to feed them some lawnmower parts and some information, trying to help them. I'm like, don't you got anybody down there that can help you where you live? And I don't trust them. They're an unsavory bunch, and they're kind of mean and rude, and they're always wringing their hands when you come in the door, and they're looking at your wallet and stuff. And how much money you got? Well, there you have it, grass rats. And thanks for tuning in to another edition of Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities. And for Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities, I'm Richard Queso. Pterodactyl. And there's your dinner.
Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities.